Good evening, sir. Mr. Eric Andres. What's up, Bear Train? I want to start this. Oh, it's pretty. I want to start this video off first with on a more serious note, because I feel like I've gotten on your bad side over the years of knowing you. I feel like I've done things that have made you heated, so I apologize for that, and I want to say that I don't dislike you in any way, shape, or form. I think you're fantastic. Your voice soothes me to sleep at night, Crazy kids outside. So, let's go inside. So yeah, I apologize for any foul play I may have caused. I like my face a lot right now in this camera. I think you are holding one of the coolest tournaments conceivable. The Lumberjack Invitational sounds fracking amazing, and if I can make it, I am going to. I don't know, I'm nervous about saying anything. Is that weird? Does that mean I have a crush on you? I hope not. I hope not. It's all good, I don't. Well, the MLG Summer Championship is happening right now. I think it's in Korea. I need to double check that. So, if you're into StarCraft or League of Legends, you should look it up, because it's going to be a splendid event. Taking time away from it to make you this awesome video, so be happy, okay? I'm doing a lot for you right now. It's not you, it's me. It's all me. Yeah. I'll just end this out with a pan over the valley, and I will see you when I see you.